everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. In this channel, you're going to find a lot of inexpensive DIYs, anywhere from farmhouse decor to seasonal. The majority of the materials that I use for my DIYs are from Dollar Tree. Sometimes I do get some items from Walmart and also from Hobby Lobby. It just depends if I find things on clearance or on sale. So if you're like me that likes to decorate on a budget, then I'm gonna ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell, right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So today's video is gonna be all about decorating my coffee bar. I'm actually sitting right in front of it, and as you can see, it's completely bare. It doesn't even have the coffee maker. So I wanted just to have a clear palette with nothing on there and just start fresh. I went ahead and I put all my summer decor up, and now I'm ready to decorate my home with all fall items. I'm really excited because fall is one of my favorite time of the year. But so is Christmas. Those are the two seasons that I absolutely love to decorate. So anyhow, I am gonna also be doing a little bit of crafting, just a little bit. It's nothing big, but I actually have to put them together in order so that I can display them in my coffee bar. So I'll be doing just a little bit of crafting. I also want to share with you a haul that I did at the Target dollar spot. I'm so excited because I found some really amazing fall items at the dollar spot. I'm really excited. So I do want to show you the haul that I did, and I will be using a lot of those items that I purchased at Target. I will be using them in my coffee bar. So this video is a combination of decorate with me, do a little bit of crafting, and also a haul. So it's three things wrapped up in one video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to start by showing you all the items that I'll be using in my coffee bar. And there is quite a bit of items, I know. But some of these things I DIY'd, and I'll go ahead and link all those videos down below in the description box. You're probably wondering, what is her color scheme? She's got so many different colors, and I know I do. But I did want to use orange. Last year I didn't use it as much, so this year I wanted to use more of those fall colors. I'll be using these Dunn inspired coffee cups, and these I DIY'd just a while back. I'll link the video down below, but I'll be using these two black ones. I absolutely love them. And I also DIY'd these two orange ones. Now these I don't have a video, but I just decided to DIY these just really quick and fast. And this one says pumpkin spice, and then this other one says it's fall, you all. I really love this one. And I'll also be displaying this coffee mug, and this one I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I saw it and I said I need to have it in my life. I think it's so adorable. So I'll be using this one as well. I apologize, I couldn't get the camera to focus. And I'll also be using this buffalo check tray, and this I DIY'd also, and I'll go ahead and link that video down below. And I'll also be using several of these pumpkins, some to fill up my 2-tier wire basket, and then just some just to scatter here and there. Now for these Dollar Tree velvet pumpkins, I will be DIYing these, and this is that craft that I was talking to you about. I'll also be using these pumpkin wooden stickers, and these are from Dollar Tree. And I'll also be crafting with these wood dowels. And I'll also be using this little wire basket, and this is something that I DIY'd. I'll go ahead and link that video down below. And here is another DIY of mine, and this is a farmhouse door, and I'll also be using this. And once again, I'll link that video down below. I'll also be using this Dollar Tree jar, and I'll also be using this fall candle from Bath & Body Works. And I'll also be using some of this greenery for my DIY. Okay, so now let me start with the Target dollar spot haul. The first thing is this cute fall truck. I'm in love with this truck. This was only $3. I won't be using this truck in my coffee bar, but I will be displaying it somewhere else. Now here is another fall truck, and this one is the gray one, and it is so adorable. Now this one, I will be placing it in my coffee bar. And I finally found this 2-tier wire basket that many were hauling, and I just couldn't find it at my Target, but I finally found it, so I'm really excited, and I will be using this in my coffee bar. And this was only $5. And I also found this Farmhouse. This is just so adorable. I love that the roof is black and that the house is white. I'll be using this house in my coffee bar, but I'll also be using it year-round. And this was only $5, and what I love is it also lights up inside. And I also found 2 of the smaller size farmhouses, and these are ceramic. And here is the other one, and they also light up. They were only $3, and I will be using this one in my coffee bar. And I also purchased these velvet pumpkins. These were only $1. I love the way the stem looks because it looks very realistic. So I purchased this gold one, and this mint green, and this blue one. And I also purchased this cutting board, and this is only $3, but it is a good size. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first small DIY, and all I'm going to do is get some of those dowels, and then I'm going to hot glue those wooden pumpkins up at the top because I am going to place them where I have my stir sticks. And this is how they turned out, and I just did 4 of them. For the next DIY, I'm going to stack up 2 pumpkins on top of each other, and I'm going to place them on top of this Dollar Tree glass candle holder. But before that I can stack them up, I need to remove one of the stems of the pumpkin, and it's going to be the orange one. And all I had to do was just give the stem a little pull, and it came right out. But before that I stack them, I'm going to start adding some greenery to the top of the candle holder. And this is how it turned out. Okay, so now I'm ready to add the first pumpkin, and I'm going to add the one that doesn't have the stem. Next, I'm going to add some more of that greenery on top of the pumpkin. And this is how it turned out. And then I hot glued the white pumpkin on top, and then I put a little bit of greenery on the white pumpkin, as you can see there, and this is how it turned out. Okay, so we're gonna start decorating my coffee bar, and I'm gonna start first by cleaning it with this Miss Meyer's Cleaning Multi-Surface, and this is in the apple cider scent. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. I was writing on my chalkboard, and there's a whole bunch of chalk dust all over the top, so I need to clean it really well. This was something that I just decided to put on my chalkboard. It says pumpkin spice and all things nice. This is actually a DIY that I did. I had purchased this antique buffet, and then I added this chalkboard. Well, actually it wasn't a chalkboard. It was a piece of board that was from another vintage vanity that I had. Then I went ahead and I added the shelf right here. So I'll go ahead and link all the items that I'm going to be telling you that I DIY'd. I'll put them down in the description box. That way when you have time, you can go and check them out. So I like to use mats like this to put it underneath my coffee maker. Just in case there's some coffee that might spill over or some hot water. I don't want it to ruin my cabinet, so I like to use this mat underneath. And this I purchased at Dollar Tree a while back. It's raining outside. It's really raining cats and dogs. Well, here is now my coffee bar. It's now all decked out in fall decor. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.